Imagine waking up tomorrow and being told that your right to live as your true self is no longer protected. That your existence, your identity, could be legislated against by people who don't even understand your reality. Unfortunately, this isn't some dystopian future, it's happening right now. Across the United States, a wave of state-level legislation is threatening the rights of LGBTQ+ individuals, especially transgender people. And the question we all need to ask in 2025, the battle for LGBTQ+ rights in America has reached a new level of intensity, especially when it comes to transgender rights. State legislators across the country are pushing through bills that target transgender individuals in ways we've never seen before, from limiting access to healthcare, to banning gender-affirming care for minors, to redefining what it means to be a person based on rigid and outdated definitions. These aren't just political moves, they are direct attacks on human dignity, on personal freedom, and on the very concept of identity. Let's take a closer look. In Florida, Texas, and other states, we are seeing laws that not only make life harder for transgender people but actively seek to erase their existence from public life. Bills that restrict access to bathrooms, sports, and even the ability to change legal documents like IDs to match their gender identity. These laws are more than just inconvenient, they are dangerous, leading to increased discrimination, harassment, and even violence against the LGBTQ+ community. But here's the kicker, while these laws are being sold as common sense protections, the reality is that they are based on misinformation, fear, and outright hatred. The American Civil Liberties Union, ACLU, has been tracking these bills, and as of 2025, there are hundreds of anti-LGBTQ+ bills making their way through state legislatures. This is not just a series of isolated incidents, it's part of a calculated effort to strip away rights that were hard-won by activists over decades. What's even more frightening is the ripple effect. As one state passes a law targeting transgender people, others often follow suit, creating a domino effect of discrimination across the country. People are being forced to flee their home states in search of safety and acceptance. And for those who can't afford to move or don't have the resources, they're left vulnerable to an increasingly hostile environment. The question we have to ask ourselves as a society is, where do we draw the line? Is it okay to pass laws that target a vulnerable community because they are different? Is it okay to pass laws that deny healthcare to a young person struggling with their gender identity? Should we stand by while entire communities of people are left to fight for the right to simply exist as who they are? Now, let's be clear, these laws are not just a threat to transgender individuals. They affect everyone in the LGBTQ+ community. If we allow this kind of discrimination to take root, it sends a message to the next generation that their rights, their identities, and their very existence are up for debate. And if we can let this happen to one marginalized group, who's next? It's time for us to take a stand. It's time for us to show up, speak out, and say enough is enough. The LGBTQ+ community has fought for every inch of progress we've made, and we cannot afford to let it slip away now. We cannot afford to let fear and misinformation dictate our future. So, I ask you, what will you do about this? Will you remain silent while others fight for their right to exist, or will you be a part of the movement to protect these rights and ensure that our country remains a place where everyone can be their true selves without fear? This is not just a fight for LGBTQ+ rights, it's a fight for the future of equality in America. And if we don't act now, we may wake up one day to find that those freedoms have been taken away, one law at a time. The time to act is now, and it's up to all of us to stand in solidarity with the LGBTQ+ community and demand justice. Closing call to action: if you believe in equality, If you believe that every person should have the right to live freely and authentically, then speak up. Share this video, get involved with advocacy groups, and demand that your lawmakers protect the rights of transgender people. The fight isn't over until everyone's rights are secured. Together, we can make sure that the America we leave behind is one where freedom, dignity, and equality are for everyone.